So I use this litter box a little bit differently. I like to put the sifting tray on the top. What you're going to do first is lift the tray up about 1 inch and then shake it side by side within the rim so that the litter doesn't fall out. And then once you've got all the litter through the sifting pan, you can dispose of the clumps in the trash can. And then you do some Tetris, putting your litter back into the sifting pan, and then there you go. So a $2 trick I like to do is putting the litter box inside a medium moving box. As you can see, as the kitten jumps out here, the litter catches either in the box or on the mat.